Yep.
What's your Christmas?
Would you hurry up?
I'm fattening it.
Fattening?
Fattening it. Better job than you were doing. This will even work. You're not doing it right. Oh, wait. Give it a picture.
Oh, I went in!
Come on.
We're going in. Oh!
In and out. Okay. It's like that episode. It's like this episode on SpongeBob. I'm going in and going out, and then he finally got it in. And Patrick got what he wanted, but SpongeBob was being mean. Patrick, okay, SpongeBob.
Hey! I'm SpongeBob! I'm SpongeBob! You're Patrick.
I just said that.
Oh, okay, because SpongeBob's shorter. And yellow.
I know.
And dumber.
Saying I'm pink.
Yes. You have yellow underwear.
Oh my god.
I have pink underwear.
Maybe we should push it when it goes in.
See all? Oh, I want it. Where is it? I wanted those.
I want that. You step.
No, right there.
No,
But
ew.
no, somebody. Which one? Somebody wanted those. Not those. Those.
Or those.
Did you do it?
It's just like where it's going. This is a lot easier. This is not long. Here you go, Rich. C2?
No! You press C2, I'm gonna smack you in the face.
What do you want? I don't want licorice. I decided something. Let's go to chewy and caramel. I guess we can get licorice.
What about Starburst?
Licorice.
What about Starburst?
Licorice.
No!
Fine. Oh my gosh, that'd be so horrible if it got stuck. I think I'll be pretty angry.
Slowly. Oh, ruined it. Hey, hey.
Reenactment.
Whoop. Hey!
I'm just...
Let's record the bowlers now.
Still think you should have bowled. No, I'm just skipping my photography class today.
Me too.
I'll go to my photography class and then I'll do my license next week. Oh my gosh, you're that old. Yeah.
Amber! Hi, what's up, dog? It's Julie!
Yeah, my mom.
Julie!
Yeah, especially with one of you married now. Yeah. What's your mom doing? Good, she's a mom now. Working?
Amber! Julie!
Like, trying to get some holes on like the side.
Hey!
I want one.
I want to open it! Red vine. How do you stop it?
What'd you do?